Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go!
18, 19, 20.
All right. Woo!
Arm grab. Pag arm grab, yan. Susuntok yan. So, dito, power underhook. Here. So, yan siya. Yan. Then step. Here. Then bow down. Then, boom. Kapag ito siya, di ba? Nasa TV. Bumato ng susuntok. Bumato siya ng white book. Kaya, di ba? Okay. So, ang defense of boxing. Paano ngayon? Paano ko ito papayuin? Now with techniques. Very good. Pero, hindi yan basta-basta maka doon. Di ba? So, first, I have to do rule. Okay, from here. Okay, siya. Safe ako rito. Kita nyo? Okay? Opo! Easy. Easy. May technique. Okay? Hindi basta-basta makakatayo yan. Hindi ko rin bubuhatin. I-reserve ko yung lakas ko sa ibang bagay. So, gagamitin ko is technique. Here, then, double underhook ako rito. Hawak niya yan, give and push. Hayo!
Wrist control. Then, go, throw. So that's hip throw. Performed by Rochelle. Okay, now, cut. Yeah, so, tingnan nyo, inaalala yan, ano? Number 2. Yeah, head drag. Okay? So, pag titingnan nyo, parang parehas. Okay? So, tingnan nyo mabuti kung ano ang pinagkaiba nung first takedown. Okay? Third takedown. Yeah, go, please. Okay. So, naka-sit out position. Okay, number 4. Yeah, please. High tie up. Yeah, then single leg. So, kung makikita nyo, technique ang ginagamit, hindi basta lakas. Okay? Pins, then single leg. Okay, next technique. Head cradle. So get behind to take down. Okay, next technique, reverse cradle. Ito ginagawa kapag hindi naging successful yung yung cradle. You see? So yon, kapag kumounter, yun yung follow-up technique. Next technique. Arm drag. Iingatan ninyo yan ha, kasi pwedeng masirox yung mukha sa mat. Okay? Shoulder throw. So ito siya pag may attack na. So kung mapapansin nyo, hindi mataas yung takedown. Okay? Okay.